What's the most exciting part of your job that isn't top secret?
Wow, exciting part of my job. I like writing technical reports and being able to use the word Martian legitimately. I think that's amazing. It never gets old. I love just writing my report and then just dropping in, when it's in the Martian environment, the rover, or the Martian dust will get into this part, or the Martian temperatures. I love writing that. And I love going down to the clean rooms, which is what we call our kind of assembly buildings, and seeing stuff that I've designed. So stuff that used to just be a figment of my imagination. And it's there, and you can see it, and you know that it's just about to launch into space, and then it's going to be orbiting the planet, or going to a new planet, or going into deep space and doing incredible science. And once upon a time, it just used to be an idea in your head. I love that.
I can imagine it. What would you say is the most impressive example of engineering you've seen over the last 100 years? Would it be something to do with space?
That's quite a difficult question, actually. There's loads of things that are absolute icons that I find really inspirational. So Concorde, I think, is incredible. It was just so ahead of its time. It's still groundbreaking today, 50 years later. I love Concorde. All of the space missions clearly have to be a highlight of the last 100 years. That's probably mankind's biggest step of the last 100 years has been to make it off the planet, basically. But yeah, there's so many other things that are engineering as well that saves lives or made millions of lives better. We're just talking about sort of water sanitation, bringing good hygiene to the world, pumping oil from below the world and being able to make us live the lifestyles that we do today. The internet is an engineering advance. You know, all of these things are just changing our lives dramatically every single year.
Maybe don't think of them as engineering.
No, absolutely. So yeah, I couldn't give you just one from the last 100 years. I couldn't give you just one from the last year.